Hi, everybody. Entering a period of time where there's not going to be a lot to talk about. We had the front come through this morning. Maybe if you were out around 7:30, 8 o'clock, you got caught in a pretty good downpour, especially near north of Portland. That was a frontal passage. And now, depending on where you are, we're getting some breaks in the cloud cover. I actually saw one view down at Domain Serene Winery in the Dundee Hills where it was bright blue sky. So some breaks and really just decreasing or a few scattered showers the remainder of today. Temperatures are in the 50s. I mean, right now it's 55 out of PDX, and the record high for today's date at PDX is 56 degrees, 5.6 back in 1961. So clearly we could get up a degree and tie that or maybe break that record. So we're looking at that. Snow levels have been high. It's 34 degrees and wet up at Timberline Lodge. Those snow levels come down to 4,000, 4,500 feet later today, but there really won't be any moisture around once that happens. So it doesn't look like much of any new snow for the Cascades and Mount Hood as we get into the weekend for boarders and skiers. The bases are still okay, but at 100 inches on the ground, Timberline's lost about a 2.5-foot base since the big dump, the latter part of December into that first few days of January. Okay, what's going on? Well, the rain chance ends tonight, and then we go about 40 in the city tonight. Morning clouds Friday morning. We get sun in the afternoon, 52 degrees, pretty nice day. And right now, the rain has been backed all the way, any rain chance has been backed up all the way to Thursday of next week with a front coming through. Now, right now, that looks like a decent weather system. So we'll see if that holds together. But that's the next chance of rain, Thursday of next week. How about that? For the weekend, the strongest temperature inversion days are Saturday and Sunday. Our Futurecast models do, in fact, show some valley fog Saturday mornings. Interesting that the modeling this morning shows valley fog banks mainly Saturday morning east of 205, so we'll see if that comes true or not. But if you wake up in a part of the valley over the weekend where it's really foggy because of the temperature inversion and light winds, it may take you a while to clear out. And if you don't clear out, your highs could be as low as 43. But if you live in a part of the valley or southwest Washington where we get some weekend sun, then you'll have a chance to get up into the 50s each and every day. Winds generally expected to be light. And the only other thing I want to mention, because a lot of you have been asking, when is it going to get cold again? When is it going to get really active again? So right now, there's not very many rain chances. There are a few, but not many. Until we get to January 31st. And the American GFS model, it's called, Global Forecast Systems, what that stands for, shows a little wet stretch from January 31st through at least February 5th, where we'd get some decent rain amounts, and Mount Hood snow levels would fall down to about 2,000 feet with some hefty amounts. Then there are additional amounts going in to the mid part of February that show snow levels could go down closer to 1,500 or 1,000 feet. So there are signs that February picks things back up, and we at least get some decent mountain snow. And we'll have to wait and see if we have any, serious snow threats for the valley. I'll talk to you soon.